Morning guys, we're going to make some BREAKY for Kymmy and me. So we had some leftover spud from last night. Potato here. I'm going to make some little pate things. I don't use these ones, I need this big bowl, that big bowl, this big bowl. We're going to put a bit of flour in here. So this is just to you with them. We got some potato. This is left over from last night's potato. I'm going to put this in here. We have some eggs. One. Two. Three. Will probably be enough. We'll put those over here for now. Some tomato. Okay, that one's quite small. My hands are nice and clean. I washed them just before. So because they're going to be touching stuff. An onion. I just normally cut both ends. Onions are relatively cheap, so sure, I've wasted a lot of onion. Just want to get sure you got the round shit off of there. Gross. See, I've got that bit of skin still on there. We don't want that. Okay, I might put the thing on already. Just, you can throw anything in here, whatever you've got left over. I had veggies left, I would have put some veggies in there too. But I got no veggies. I need some bacon. Just wrapped up like an idiot. Boy. Couple of bits of bacon. I'm going to turn this on now. I've got some spray there, not fly spray because you don't use fly spray. Fly spray bad. So I might do some of this, like, I'll throw some in it, right, and then I'll cook some sort of separate in the fry pan as well. Because I reckon that'll be pretty good. What do you reckon, 3 pieces? We'll save them for the fry pan, I think. Okay, I'm going to mix all that together. Oh, it's going to be sloppy. No, I have to wash my hands. Okay, so now we need some flour. There's not much in there. I've got another flour if I need it. Yeah, we're going to need more flour. Honey?
Yes,
Can you come here and help me for a sec?
Sure, I will do that.
Okay, because I've made this too wet, so I need some more flour.
Slow.
Yeah. So I bought another couple of flours. Can you grab the other flour? It's in the cupboard right in the bottom.
Oh, sticky.
Thanks, babe. I suppose I could have done that yourself. Couldn't I?
That's all right, mate. A bit of help.
What are you doing?
What am I doing? I'm watching Vegas Matt.
Is he winning?
I don't know. They're playing that box game where they touch the boxes, and then the games trigger at the top. I've never seen this here.
No, I don't know what that is.
No, I've never seen this game.
So what do you think of this consistency, babe? Is that still too wet?
No, that should be alright.
Should be right, and then just...
Put the egg in?
Yep.
Yeah.
Got 2 eggs in.
Oh, okay. And that should be good. You've got oil, baby?
Yeah, I only got this canola spray, but that'll do.
Yeah. What the hell?
What?
Oh, this thing. I've got one of the things, but I don't know what it is.
Alright.
It's a weirdo game.
It's a weird game.
Oh, I don't think
So we'll do that. I'm just making them into a ball. They're still pretty wet.
Yeah. That's all right.
No, that's it. Once we get some flour on it.
Did you put salt and pepper in it?
No, I forgot.
Oh my God. You're a salt and pepper man.
Yeah.
I forgot.
I know.
Oh, that'll be all right.
I'll put something down with the last 2. God, look at my hands. Can you actually put some salt and pepper in it? Where's the fucking salt and pepper? In the cupboard. Because my hands are already...
Yuck.
Rah.
Don't you touch me.
The pepper's here, actually.
Oh, you got the pepper. Shit. Ow. Grab my nails. No?
Yeah, and the pepper's behind there, see it?
Yes.
It's probably not open.
Oh, I'm so talented.
Jesus.
We'll be right there. You
I got you.
Ah.
I got you. Which is unlike you, because you normally put food all over yourself anyway, so...
Please.
Can you pour just a little bit more flour in there? Thanks.
More?
Yep. And maybe a bit in that bowl. Thank you. God knows, I hope this tastes good because they look ridiculous. Oh, Jesus.
Cheers, babe.
Baby, there's a chance I don't know what I'm doing.
I think so. I should have made this, I think, because I'm an expert.
Are you? They've never seen you cook. They actually don't think you can cook at all.
You think I can cook? I will cook one day for you.
Jesus. Now I'm just covered with shit.
Yes, I used to make these all the time.
What, a mess like this?
Not a mess like that.
I put too much egg. I put 3 eggs. I should have just done...
Oh my God, babe. How many did I tell you?
You didn't tell me anything.
Yes, I did.
I
I
wasn't.
did 1 egg.
I probably wasn't listening to you.
No, probably not. Listen, nothing I listen.
What? What'd you say, hon?
Nothing, darling.
I don't understand what's going on in my world anymore.
Did you ever?
Yeah.
I don't think you did.
So have you ever heard of HELLFIRE pottery, honey?
No, I haven't. I have never heard of HELLFIRE pottery. Babe, you got the butter there somewhere?
Yep. You put some butter in it.
Just a little bit.
Shit,
Sorry.
cheapers.
Jesus Christ.
Lucky that wasn't a fucking knife.
Oh,
Remember that time you stabbed me?
I never stabbed you. When did I stab you?
Oh, I've got the court papers. What are you talking about?
Oh, please. I got my DVO.
We shouldn't joke about that sort of thing.
No, I shouldn't. He doesn't hit me.
No. You hit me though.
Such a liar. Guys, you're a liar.
One more. This one's probably the best one.
There you go.
I've got a couple of bits of bacon here too.
Yeah, well, we just wait for these.
Wait for it to shrink down a bit, yeah.
And cook and flip them.
Right, I'll put that in there for a sec.
Actually, I think they're turning out really well.
They are, considering I don't know what I'm doing.
No.
They'll taste yum anyway.
Yeah. If they don't, we'll pretend.
We'll give them to Jenny.
Is Jenny still here?
I think so. Alright.
Need you any more, my love?
Nah. I put a lid on them.
Yeah, I was just thinking the same.
I might do the double flick, and so that's all the cooking anyway, so I will, ready, one, let's see, next one you'll see, it's where they're done. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Alright, we're done. These are them here, cooked.
Really good, really good.
You think so?
Yeah, they do.
Alright, but I want to show you what I was saying about HELLFIRE pottery.
Yes.
This is HELLFIRE pottery, honey.
Okay.
So it's made in Australia, and it's not that old.
Yeah.
You're probably 80s, I'm thinking. And that's the thing. So something you can still pick up, you know, op shops and shit like that. So this here, that sells for about 150, 180 bucks each on eBay. So,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? I think I paid like $5 each at an op shop.
Decorative, just decorative.
Yeah,
they're
yeah. I got two of them. It's the possum as well.
Oh yeah, that's really cute.
Next, they are fantastic. Look at, I mean, that's all hand done.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's why, I mean, it's the time to make that. That's not a mould, is it?
No,
you can't
I
have
don't
that much
think
detail
so.
in a
No,
mould.
no.
So that is HELLFIRE pottery.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna put you in there.
All right, I'm out of here.
I'm gonna put these on here.
People actually see me get up and not on the lounge.
It's all right, baby.
I know it's all right.
You work hard. I mean, they don't think you work hard. They probably think you do nothing. But I mean, I know you work hard, beautiful. And that's what matters.
That's all right. Oh.
All right, that's it. This one's a little bit burned, but you get the idea. It's just, even if you can do it with, like, I was going to do a bubble and squeak, which is the same sort of thing. But I was like, nah, that'll do.
He calls, I wash up.
Yeah, she has to clean up all my shit mess. Which I would think, personally, I'm getting the best end of the deal. Anyway, well, that's Breaky. We're watching some crap Vegas bat on TV, so... we might do some videos later. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, lunches, bye.